I want to show you what you've been missing in the last week or so with Market Chameleon if you haven't watched my video, or if you're not a member of Market Chameleon 7 days free trial. Link in the description below. So we're gonna go over about 3-4 trades that the software gave us in the last couple of days. Iron Condor, just buying call options based on unusual option activity, etc, etc. We're gonna start with Estee Lauder, but free to read this and know that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment, educational purposes only. And with that being said, my name is Ivorson on Finance After 40. Let's see how much money you didn't make because you didn't sign up for Market Chameleon, or you didn't watch my videos and you just didn't take action. One of the above. So remember, the last video was unusual option activity, and I said that I tried scanners in the past and all that nonsense and all the scanners of unusual option activity, which is right here. Click on the search bar, unusual option activity. I'm gonna check for myself after this video for today, see what we got. But basically, there's a lot of opportunities. I'm gonna go over this for myself. You need to be a member, 7 days trial, as I said. But I said all those scanners, basically, Facebook cluster long, Apple cluster long. I don't care. I don't care about those cluster of $3 trillion market cap that you can buy a call for like 7 and sell for 8. No, $700 sell for 800. I don't care about it. I'm looking for the small cap, the ones that can fly based on unusual option activity. And exactly, I want to see buy calls exactly, or buy puts. Oh, we got Starbucks as not number one, but probably number one in volume. Interesting. I'll get to that in a minute. It's already popped 25% because of the Chipotle CEO. So interesting stuff. Also Nike in here. But what we saw yesterday was this one, Estee Lauder. Okay, and you can check the video. Go check the video from yesterday. The close was 86. And we saw a lot of activity for this Friday, August 16, but what caught my eye was earning is after Friday, so it wasn't an option earning play, because the earning is August 19, dividend is like the end of August or something, so there was no news, there was nothing that says, hey, by Friday this can pop. And the price was 86. And then by the end of the video, I said I will probably buy $90 calls for this Friday and Tuesday morning, which was today. And you know what the price, the closing price yesterday was about 60 cents, 0.6. And you see here, it's just started. It started and then went up and up and up non-stop. And now the price was 92. Now, why did I went over this compared to 50 other options that you see here, and I did the filters and all that? Because they were either selling puts, like bullish, they selling puts, which was like crazy level, like 145, 135, 115, I don't know. The price was 86. Keep in mind, the price was 86. There was activity to sell 145 puts. Now, I don't think it will go there. That's not the point. There was another activity to sell 115 puts. That means that people are bullish. And again, no earnings, no nothing, no news by Friday unless someone knows something. So I took a bet, and that was 65, 70 cents in the morning on my tasty trade. It wasn't even the implied volatility was low. It was like 50%, because again, the earnings are a week later. And look at this, it closed 92, up 64%. So this is around I've checked like 30 minutes before the close. It was like 215, I don't know, 210, something like that. I don't know, something like that. Again, two option trades that I did. I spent like $130 on this, and now it's worth like 400. And I will probably close this trade in a day or two. I don't know if it goes to 95. Hopefully tomorrow, great, $1,000 out of nowhere. That's crazy. That is just crazy. That's 10x your money. And you see, after hours is 92.5. If it goes to 95, 96, 7, something like that, I'll close it. And there you go. And that will be my trade. Because it's 90 calls, it's still, anything can happen, but the signs were there. The unusual option activity wasn't like, hey, we're selling 80 puts, so the price will not go below 80. That's fine. That's for income if you have shares. But the trade was sell 115 puts, 135, 145. Crazy numbers when you're at 86. So if it goes to 100, I mean that's 2 units. That's $2,000 on like 130 investment. Whatever the case, I play small just to how do I say it, to experiment with this unusual option activity. No one is talking about the unusual activity option scanner in Market Chameleon. Everyone are talking about the popular scanners, but again, those are like for the big $1 trillion market cap, and you need to guess what's happening. And it's not, I want a stock that's worth like, I don't know, 100 million and someone buys like $500,000 worth of options for the weekly Friday or something like that. That's a sign, and I want the screener to tell me buy calls or buy puts, so I know exactly what happens, and Market Chameleon delivers. And if you missed on that, we had another one. This was I think Friday. I took the trade a couple of days ago when the price was 250, 254. I don't know. There was like a giant volume, like 600,000 volume worth of 2.5 call, 2.5 calls for this Friday. Look where we are now, 325, and I took the trade. I took again, as I said, 2 options, 25 cents each, $50 just to play around, see where it is now. Price is now, I don't know, 70. I don't know, probably close at 0.8. I didn't look, so that's like 160. That's extra $100, but percentage-wise, it's like 3x, 300% return on your money. And the weekday is not over. We're just on Tuesday now. If this stays, I don't know, maybe it will pop another dollar or something to 354 or something like that. I'll probably close it Friday morning. I don't know, we'll see. But that was a sign. That's a sign, because the market cap, you see, 300 million market cap, and 250 was probably like, I don't know, 250 million market cap, something like that. And then you see that's the trade that I'm looking for, like super low market cap. Sure, it was post earning. They posted great. I don't know if great, doesn't matter. But then the stock moved from like 250 to 280, and now it's 325. All in the last couple of days. That's it. That's all it is. And I'm not looking to buy and hold, I don't know, calls on Facebook that expire in January. And no, I don't care about all those unusual option activity scanners that takes $100 from you just to do whatever. No. I want to focus on a stock that has a low market cap, and all of a sudden like 600,000 volume or something just in the option field, and it says to me, it says buy calls 2.5 was the highest trade of the day. So I went with that and I bought, and so far so good. Can it go below 2.5 by Friday? Sure. But can it go higher? Also sure. Not sure. No. Also a possibility. I don't know. I'm playing around. If it goes a little more, I'll probably close it. I don't know. It doesn't matter. The point is that it makes sense and it makes money. And after this video, I will go over this myself and see what I can see to maybe catch a trade for tomorrow. Other than that, I want to show you this one, Beyond Meat. Okay, the Beyond Meat. You know what? We'll get back to Beyond Meat because this is on Condors. Let's go with the FNKO, which is also a ticker that I show you on one of the unusual option activity trades. This was around 8.50. And the trade, there were two trades. One of them was sell the 7.5 puts, meaning that you're bullish, that the stock will stay above 7.5. If it goes below, you assign 100 shares. But this was like an income play, and it was fun. I didn't take the trade because I saw it like after hours, but sell the 7.5 when it was 8.5. It was pre-earning, like it was like the day before, the same day of earning, but earning was after hours. Sell the 7.5 put. That means you're bullish, but the price was 8.5, so you assume the price will go up to 7.30. But the other one was sell the $10 put, and now it's 9.56. Yes, for this Friday, but and just so you know, sell the 10 puts mean that you are bullish that will close above 10, and then you collected all the premium from 8.5 to $10, which is insane. Instead of buying 10 calls, if you buy 10 calls and the price is 9.99, you're losing. But if you sell 10 puts, then and the price was 8.5, you probably got a premium of $2 or something like that, and now it's worth like, I don't know, $50. Close the trade and move on with your life. And the day after the earning, like it traded like 180. So if you collected, you probably collected more than $2. I didn't check because there was high implied volatility just a few hours before earnings. So let's say it was 220, 250, I don't know. And then after earnings, it was like the price was 980. Then $250 probably were worth like $20-30 or something. Close the trade, happy camper, move on. And you see if FANQ, it's like the doors, a lot of that you see on YouTube, 500 million market cap, and you see unusual option activity on this level is absolutely, it's a sign that you need to dig deeper and see something is going on. Okay, so let's see beyond. This was on the Iron Condor scanner. Okay, so that's another video. Iron Condor scanner found this trade post earnings. Okay, I don't want to do trades pre-earning, even if the cushion is good and all that, just for safety, even though there's nothing safe in trading options. But this one, now the price is 560. The trade was $4.5 put spread, 4.5, 4, something like that, I think, or 4.5, 3.5. And on the call side, it was $7.08, 7.8, something like that. I don't really remember. But the trade itself was basically you collect the entire premium of the Condor between $4.5 and $7 for Beyond Meat. Price now is 5.5. I don't care that it's going down or up. As long as it stays between 4.5 and 7, you collected 100% of your Iron Condor premium. This was a crazy move. It was like 35-40% either way or something like that, and it was post earning. This was the kicker. After the earning, with like a 7 days to expiration, still a spread of like 30-40% each side. That was a crazy good cushion trade. I did not take it. I'll start to take a lot more signals from Market Chameleon when I see ones, because those seems to be good. And there were a couple of others. We got I remember this one. I need to watch my videos again. Robinhood, they posted earnings. We got the either naked put or cash secured put. 13. You sell the 13 put, okay, for you need like 1,300 in your account or 100 shares, and you collected, I think it was $1 or something, I don't know, but you collected a hefty premium. This was before the earnings, and now the price is 18. So yeah, that put will expire worthless, and you collect all your income. And I would love to buy Robinhood at 13. So I just sell the put, collect the income. If the price goes to my way, great. I own shares of Robinhood at 13 minus my income. And if it doesn't, I keep the income. Either way, I keep the premium. So there's a lot of options to consider, a lot of things using Market Chameleon. If you're not a member, 7 days in the description below. If you did take a trade, let me know in the comments below, of course, and I will start taking for myself the unusual option activity a lot more serious. I just started this, but I think this could be a good edge compared to, as I said, to all the other screeners of unusual option activity out there. Thanks. I'll see you next time.